Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into a tool that promises to make your binding tasks significantly easier and more efficient: the heavy-duty desktop book binding machine. This isn't just any stapler. It's engineered for serious work, capable of binding up to 60 pages of 80G paper with remarkable ease. Right off the bat, what sets this stapler apart is its robust construction. The base, a critical component for any heavy-duty tool, is crafted from alloy die casting. This isn't just about looking good. It ensures an accurate size and provides a solid, stable foundation for every staple. Users will immediately notice the premium feel and the assurance that this machine is built to last, whether it's enduring the demands of a busy factory floor, a bustling office, or even the occasional heavy-duty project at home or school. One of the most impressive features is its save-effort mechanical structure. Gone are the days of straining your hand or needing excessive force to staple a thick stack of documents. This design is specifically implemented to enable labor saving, making it comfortable for long-lasting use. Imagine binding dozens, even hundreds, of multi-page reports without feeling the fatigue typically associated with such tasks. It truly transforms what can often be a cumbersome chore into a smooth, almost effortless process. Its design as a desktop stapler with clip-on fixation is incredibly practical. This feature allows for easy conversion of its site, meaning it can be securely placed on a desk for stable operation, yet it's not permanently fixed, offering flexibility. This adaptability makes it a good helper for anyone needing to bind paper regularly. Whether you're preparing presentations, organizing large documents, or simply keeping your school notes in order, this machine is designed to integrate seamlessly into your workflow. The versatility of this stapler cannot be overstated. While its heavy-duty capabilities make it ideal for factory and office environments where large volumes of paper are common, its user-friendly design and desktop footprint also make it perfectly suited for home and school use. It bridges the gap between industrial-grade performance and everyday convenience, offering a professional binding solution that's accessible to everyone. In conclusion, for anyone in search of a reliable, durable, and incredibly efficient stapler that can handle significant page counts without breaking a sweat, this heavy-duty desktop book binding machine stands out. Its alloy die-cast base, effort-saving mechanism, and versatile desktop design combine to deliver a superior binding experience. It's a tool that truly lives up to its promise of making paper binding a simple, labor-saving task for years to come.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.